What's up guys, got some super exciting news about some new key features that are coming on SeekaHost.app that you're going to be able to enjoy very soon. So I think the best way to do this is showing you what the dashboard looks like. So we already have our SSL certificate, account manage, your backup, disk space, plugins, themes, email accounts, add-ons and subscription, which you can manage from your WP site list. These are some of the awesome updates that you're going to be seeing very soon. I'm going to be highlighting the key features that have been added which we don't have already. So if we make our way down past SSL, you can find WP users. That's right, you can now add WP users straight from your SeekaHost.app dashboard, choosing the user role, the username, password, and managing it all from your SeekaHost dashboard. Awesome. We previously had our WP themes and WP plugins which we can all manage from one easy place. However, we now have WP debug straight from the dashboard. Now, to debug on WordPress, normally you'd have to install some sort of WordPress plugin or make some changes to your code. Now, you don't. It's made simple. You simply enable it from your WP debug from your dashboard, saving you time, effort, and being able to debug issues much quicker. We had a backup section, but now the backup section is basically much better. I mean, look how easy that is to make a backup, to download your backup, or simply restore a backup if you want to restore one. Once you downloaded your backup, if you need to restore it, you simply drag and drop it straight into the restore file, or select the file itself. Next, we're going to go down to HT Access, a new feature that you're going to be seeing very soon. Here you're going to find your HT Access configuration where you can edit it, set it back to default, or roll it back. Pretty exciting so far, however, I've still not even got to the best parts. Now let's head down to our zone record. You now manage your DNS zone file and add values through your dashboard, which is super awesome. Another favorite of mine, we now have FTP file access. You now have your hostname, your username, your password, and you can log in with things like FileZilla and manage all your files elsewhere. This really helps when managing larger files, and it's a new feature that we're seeing here on SeekaHost.app. We're going to continue with my probably third most favorite thing that we're going to have going on here, which is subdomains. That's right, you can now go and create your subdomain straight from your SeekaHost.app dashboard. Simply choose the subdomain, choose the blog category, the blog title, choose your subscription, bam, there we go, we've created ourselves a subdomain. And the best thing is it's all been kept in the very easy SeekaHost.app style format. So using the Seeka panel, you can keep stuff from being overcomplicated, it stays easy to use, and it now has everything you need to manage your domain, your subdomains, your FTP access, backups, and even your users. Another thing that I just want to point out here, obviously we have our email accounts which we've always been able to access from here, but we also have Switch Plan. Switching plans can make switching plans made easy if you're going to be using different hosting packages. You choose what package you're going to take it from, you choose the site that you're going to take and switch over, and then you're going to choose the package that you're going to move it to. Click on the site to move it over, click switch, and as easy as that, you've moved your site from one hosting to another, making it easy to swap packages, upgrade or downgrade. And of course, to finish off, we can now access our analytics straight from our site over here, so you can connect your Google and your Clicky analytics, get the best analytics all from your dashboard on SeekaHost. So those are our super exciting new features about to come here on SeekaHost.app. Stay tuned for more updates. And for any other questions, feel free to hit us up on our live chat, or for support, create a ticket and we'll help answer any questions that you have.